Africa Content TV.
This man is not my friend, this man is my brother. This man is one Fuji musician that when I'm sleeping and I wake up and I call, he will be there for me. When I call others, they take time to answer me. But when I call Oganla Pasuma, it takes him 2 minutes to say yes. He has never said no to me. Never. Yes, please, Madam, stay here. Pasuma is the only friend, I'm saying it on camera, that I will call and say, Jibola, I am broke. And he will say, are you broke? Oh, you broke, you don't share. My cast here. You are a brother for life. I will pass you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is so good when people support you, you have to appreciate them. Ladies and gentlemen, this man is very supportive. We are here to honor Pasuma. It is a surprise, we didn't tell him. But now, we are about to let you know. The award we were supposed to give to you 2 years ago, we have it here. And we are about to present it to you. And to present this award is the sponsor of this category. He's the CEO of IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY. And you are about to travel. Please, sir, please come up. Please put your hands together for the CEO of IBAKATV-YORUBAPLay.
Round of applause, please.
For that, you present it to the man, and the man will present it to the award winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the CEO of IBAKATV-YORUBAPLay. We are about to present an award to you. Let me tell you what the award category is all about. Ladies and gentlemen, for his outstanding contribution in the Fuji music sector, this man is the only artist that plays Fuji music and improvises. This man is the only Fuji artist that supports the young, the old, the talented, the encouraged. The only man that believes what will be will be. He never looks down on anybody. Always there to support everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we are giving Pasuma an award, and the award is called the FUJI ICON Award.
Round of applause.
Thank you very much.
I'm so delighted to be here this evening, and I'm happy that we are sponsoring this category, courtesy of IBAKATV-YORUBAPLay. I'm here to present this award to a Fuji icon, the man that has been before men, who has been a supporter of anything that has to do with Fuji in Nigeria, entertainment in general, in Nigeria, overseas, and all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I present this award to Alhaji Pasuma Honorary Award.